In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Gemini from Google Assistant in just 5 minutes. Let's walk through this together step by step to ensure you have a smooth and hassle-free experience. To begin, please open Google Chrome on your device. This is essential as we'll be navigating through Google accounts, and Chrome provides the most seamless integration with Google's various services. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of the screen. Here, you will type in myaccountgoogle.com. This URL takes you directly to your Google account settings dashboard, which houses all the necessary configurations and settings related to your Google account. Now that you're on the Google account page, look for the option labeled Data and Privacy on the screen. It's often found in the left-hand menu or as a prominent tab depending on your settings interface. Click on this option as it holds several controls, including the ones we'll need to modify today. Within the Data and Privacy settings, scroll down until you encounter the Web and App Activity section. This feature often records activity from a range of Google services, including Google Assistant. To ensure that Gemini is fully removed, you'll need to turn this feature off. By doing so, you prevent Google from storing any additional data related to this app, taking a significant step toward complete removal. After handling the account settings, let's address any Gemini extensions in Chrome. Head to the top right corner of your Chrome browser where you'll see a small puzzle icon, which represents your Chrome extensions. Clicking this icon will show you a list of all installed extensions. In the search bar, quickly type Gemini to identify any related extensions that might be installed in your browser. If you find any extensions associated with Gemini, locate the three-dot menu situated right beside it. Clicking on this menu will present you with various options. Pay close attention to the choice stating Remove from Chrome. Select this option to effectively delete the extension from your browser. This step is crucial for ensuring that Gemini is no longer part of your web browsing experience. With these steps, you've taken significant action in removing Gemini from Google Assistant. Congratulations on effectively managing and enhancing your digital environment. If you have any further questions or need clarification on any step, feel free to revisit this guide as necessary. Keep exploring and managing your digital settings to maintain a streamlined, efficient experience with your Google services. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.